There's nothing better than a warm, hearty bowl of chicken tortilla soup. It's cozy, flavorful, and so easy to make right at home. Today I'm sharing how to make an easy homemade chicken tortilla soup that's ready in under 30 minutes. The perfect quick dinner and comfort meal for busy days. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos. These are the ingredients for the chicken tortilla soup. Measurements are in the description box. I use canned chipotle and this is what it looks like. I just blend in the blender until it is smooth and it looks like a paste. I have 1 pound pre-cooked chicken that I cook with a packet of taco seasoning. You can also use raw chicken. Put a little bit of water and cook until the water evaporates and the chicken absorbs the seasoning. Heat up 3 tablespoons oil in the pan. I use avocado oil. Add the diced vegetables, 150 grams diced onion, 125 grams deseeded and diced tomatoes, 30 grams deseeded diced jalapenos. Cook until the onion is translucent. Then add 20 grams chopped garlic and cook until you can smell the garlic. Then add 2.5 cans chicken broth. Add 2 teaspoons chicken powder, 3/4 teaspoon dried oregano, and 2.5 teaspoons cumin powder. Then add 2 teaspoons tomato paste and 4 teaspoons chipotle paste. When the soup starts to boil, add 200 grams canned black beans and 100 grams frozen corn kernel. Finally, add the chicken. You can add the entire chicken or 3/4 pound, reserving the 1/4 pound to spread on top of the soup. Serve the soup with diced avocados and tortilla chips. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.